Are you leaving money on the table without even knowing it? What if a simple headline change could increase your conversions by 30% or more? Today, we're diving into Convert A/B testing, one of the most powerful experimentation tools for growth marketers. It's the go-to platform for SaaS teams looking to optimize websites and boost revenue. Convert is a full-stack experimentation platform designed to help businesses make data-driven decisions. It has been used to optimize over 40,000 websites globally, known for its incredible speed and accuracy. It's famous for flicker-free testing technology and a strict privacy-first infrastructure. Unlike many tools, Convert focuses on speed and compliance, making it ideal for modern marketers. Now, why does A/B testing actually matter for your business? It allows you to compare two versions of a page to see which performs better. Instead of guessing, you test. Instead of relying on opinions, you use hard data to drive your strategy. With Convert, you can test headlines, CTA buttons, landing pages, and even entire user journeys. And you can run multiple types of experiments, including A/B, split, and multivariate testing. You can even dive into more complex sequential testing for deeper insights. Let's look at the key features. First is flicker-free testing. Convert's Smart Insert technology ensures users don't see page flicker when experiments load. This improves the user experience and ensures your test results are completely accurate. Second is the Advanced Analytics Engine. Convert provides both frequentist and Bayesian statistics. This allows you to analyze your results with much greater confidence and flexibility. Third, full-stack experimentation. You can test both front-end UI changes and back-end features. This means you're not limited to design. You can experiment with entire product experiences. Fourth, advanced targeting. With over 40 filters, you can show experiments based on specific behavior. Target users by location, device, or even the traffic source they arrive from. Fifth, integrations. Convert works with over 90 tools and offers a robust API for custom setups. And sixth, it's privacy first. It uses first-party cookies and is fully GDPR compliant. There's no need to store personal data, making it perfect for privacy-conscious businesses. So, how does it actually work? It's a simple 6-step process. Step 1. Add the Convert tracking script to your website. Step 2. Create your test variations like version A versus version B. Step 3. Define your goal, whether it's more clicks, signups, or revenue. Step 4. Split your traffic between the variants automatically. Step 5. Analyze the results in real time as the data flows in. Finally, Step 6. Deploy the winning variation to your live site. It includes a visual editor for beginners and code editors for developers. You can even use AI-assisted variant creation to speed things up. The real benefits? You'll increase conversion rates and reduce guesswork. It helps you make faster decisions and significantly improves the user experience. It allows you to scale experimentation across your entire team easily. Companies report faster test velocity and much higher ROI from their CRO strategies. So, who is Convert ideal for? It's perfect for SaaS and e-commerce brands. It's also a top choice for CRO agencies and growth marketers worldwide. If you're looking for a powerful Google Optimize alternative, this is it. Especially if you want more control, transparent pricing, and total flexibility. If you're serious about growth, A/B testing isn't optional, it's essential. And Convert gives you everything you need to test faster, learn faster, and grow faster. Start experimenting today and turn your data into revenue. Start A/B testing today and grow your conversions with Convert.